Now, some of you watching this might think this is someone who has just seen a ghost. Well, it's not. This is just Neo after seeing her girlfriend kissing another guy. And I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But first, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Guys, Kali, Dak and Ona kissed, and to be honest, we all expected this to happen. The only thing that is shocking about all of this is that it happened right in front of Neo. I mean, I saw it from the way that Ona was trying to decline Katie's proposal, and I know that the only reason why she declined all those proposals was because she didn't trust that she'll be able to put herself together when she's around Katie, and that is why she was trying by all means not to be around him. Even that kiss, yes, she didn't plan for it to happen and she wasn't expecting it, but to me, she looked like she was enjoying each and every moment of it. And I know that I'm not the only person who believes that Ona wanted Katie to do that. Pelakas all know Ona, and if you're a fan of House of Sweet, you'll remember back when Ona was still dating So. You know, what is happening to her and Katie right now is the exact same thing that happened between her and Neo back when she was dating So. And the fact that Ona falls for every guy that shows interest on her makes her to look very weak. And I know that some of the fans of Hustle Suit think that Neo deserves all of this. Yes, guys, look, Neo is not a saint. And yes, he cheated on Ona, but come on, guys. The guy did well in the past few months. I mean, he supported Ona even when Ona became distant. Ona even forgot Neo's birthday and forgot that Neo even exists. But Neo stayed and forgave Ona several times. So, for all of that, I think that Neo is really a good guy. So, guys, comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts about this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.